डॉन बॉस्को महाविद्यालयात रस्तो सुरक्षा विशयाचे जागृताय कार्यावळ जाली. महाविद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर रस्तो सुरक्षा संदर्भात खासा येरादारी पुलिशेन ही कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीज.
आज आम्ही डॉन बॉस्को कॉलेजीन रोड अवेअरनेस रोड सेफ्टी हो प्रोग्राम आयोजित केला. कॉलेज स्टुडंट्सांक आमी हीच म्हायती दिवंक सोदता. रोड सेफ्टी आनी रोड अवेअरनेस दोनूय इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आयच्या कारणान. कित्याक जायते भुरगे कॉलेजीन सान वा स्कुलान सान जेन्ना 18 इयर्स जाले म्हणटकूच ते मोटरसायकल चलयता, गाडयो चलयता, वा थोड्यांक जाय जाणांक लायसन्स आसता. सो कॉलेज आमी एक धरला आनी स्कूल एक धरला, जितून आमी स्कुलां आनी त्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी लोकांक अवेअरनेस दिवपाक, एड्युकेट करपाक, तुमी कितें करूंक जाय, कशे रुल्स पाळूंक जाय, रोड सेफ्टी कित्याक जाय, तुमकांय जाय दुसऱ्यांकूय जाय म्हणून हो आमी प्रोग्राम आयोजीत केला ह्या आमच्या डॉन बॉस्को स्कुलान कॉलेजीन.
What is meant by traffic? Traffic means traffic. The movement of vehicle from one place to another in a safe way after following the rules. आम्ही नियमांचे पालन करीना म्हणून आम्ही डेफिनेशन चेंज केलं. आम्ही कधी करता, आम्ही जर रूल फॉलो केलो, आम्ही जर कायदो फॉलो केलो जाल्यार ती डेफिनेशन चेंज जायना. आम्ही लोकांनी केलं चेंज. कित्याक लागून आमचे दिसान दीस एज्युकेशन वाडना आणि आमची मेमरी कमी जायना. पयलीं जेन्ना ओल्ड एज मनीस आसले पळयात त्या टायमाचेर तांकां एंटरटेनमेंट केलें नासलें, एज्युकेशन सुद्दां कमी.
So we never know when the time is bad. So this has been this is a small picture I have shown you of fatal accidents in Goa. Now see this. Motorcycle riders killed. The topmost, the number one serial number. 145. So the main, the people who gets killed most are the motorcycle riders. Motorcycle riders. Okay, they killed 145. Pedestrian kills are 49. Meaning those people who cross over the roads, walking on the side of the road, vehicle crashed with him, he has died. Persons killed total is 262. Now there is something called as Traffic Sentinel app. You all are all aware, I think. Last year, one of them in Goa has won a Maruti car. There was a draw, and one of them has won because he had pulled in too many points. Because he was keeping on giving us the violation on a mobile. I think anybody could tell us this has been going on for the last more than 1 year. And what is Traffic Sentinel in Goa which has been introduced? Anybody of you all know? All of you have got mobiles, smartphones. You all know about Play Store. Go to Play Store and download that Goa Traffic Sentinel. It is free of cost. Once you download that app on your phone, on your smartphone, then there will be all this. You have to fill in your names, your data, basically the minimum, and then you have to give us your bank account number. So you all will, once you all click any violation, you all can, even on the outside this road, you can wait there and randomly you all can click pictures of violation like helmet without helmet, speaking on mobile. So as per the point system has been given to the type of violation. For helmet it is 10, for speaking on mobile it is 20, so on and so forth. So once you calculate, once it goes until 100 points, then you are entitled for 1,000 rupees, which will go in your account. Understood? Very good thing, no? It's a pocket money for you.